So let's learn how to solve the YouTube Shorts video quality problem, whereby you're watching a short literally on YouTube and you literally see that the quality has gone very low, just like this on your screen. I'm watching a YouTube short and literally the quality has just gone too low that the words get so blurry and you can't see clearly. So let's get started. So what you have to do as you're watching, as within the YouTube application, you have to tap in the profile icon in order to solve this problem, so that you make the short very, very clear. So all you have to do is watch the video until the end. Let's get started. So all you have to do is tap in the right hand upper corner where there's profile icon, then you're going to select on settings. When you select settings, you're going to select video quality preferences. You see that option below autoplay. So tap that video quality preferences. So this is where everything needs to be very, very, very clear here. So what you have to do is now you're going to select, you see there's data saver right there, video quality on mobile networks. So I want you to change that to higher picture quality. And then when you look at video quality on Wi-Fi, change that as well to high picture quality. So when you change those settings, head back to the video which was not so clear. Head back to the video, you will notice that now it is going to be ultra clear, that you watch it without any problem. Exactly. So if your video quality gets improved by using this trick I'm showing in the video, please make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.